Good morning, Namaskar. My name is Neha Thakur from Neera Global Kids. How are you kids? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So let's start our session with prayer. Close your eyes, join your hands, start prayer. Everyone speak with me. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tassavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now you can put your palm. Put them on your eyes slowly, slowly. Open your eyes. So press. Now kids, let us start our alphabet phonics with vocabs. Which letter is this? A. A. And A after which letter will come? Letter B. 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 Boy. B after which letter will come? C. K. K. Car. C after D. D says D. 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 Doll. D after E. E says A. 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 Elephant. E after F. F says fan. F after G. And G says G. 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 Grapes. G after H. And H says head. H after I. And I say E. 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 Ice cream. I after J. And J says J. 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 Jug. J. J. Juice. J after K. And K says K. 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 Kite. K after L. And L says lion. L after M. And M says monkey. After N. And N says net. N after O. And O says onion. O after P. And P says parrot. P after Q. And Q says queen. Q after R. And R says rose. R after S. And S says sun. S after T. And T says tomato. T after U. And U says umbrella. U after V. And V says van. V after W. And W says watch. W after X. And X says Xmas-tree. X after Y. And Y say yo-yo. Y after Z. And Z says zebra. So now class work time. Write down CW and date. Write down CW and date. Write the letters from A to Z. Write the letters from A to Z. Now write down. Now first slanting line, second slanting line, then sleeping line. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. left side curves, then standing line, small letter A, and A says A says A after which letter will come? Letter B. How to write letter B? How to write capital letter B? In first three line, standing line, right side half curve, then second right side half curve, capital letter B. Standing line, then right side half curve, small letter B, and B says B. B after which letter will come? Yes, letter C. How to write capital letter C? In first three line, make a left side curves, capital letter C. How to write small letter C? Between two blue line, make a left side small curve, small letter C, and C says K. C after which letter will come? Letter D. How to write capital letter D? In first three line, standing line, then right side curve, capital letter D. How to write small letter D? Make a left side curves, then standing line, small letter D, and D says D. D after which letter will come? Letter E. How to write capital letter E? In first three line, standing line, then first big sleeping line, then second small sleeping line, again big sleeping line, capital letter E. How to write small letter E? Between two blue lines, sleeping line, then left side curve, small letter E, and E says A. E after which letter will come? Letter F. How to write capital letter F? In first three line, standing line, first big sleeping line, then second small sleeping line, capital letter F. How to write small letter F? In first line, small curve, then standing line, then sleeping line, small letter F, and F says F after which letter will come? Letter G. How to write capital letter G? In first three line, make a left side curves, then sleeping line, then standing line, capital letter G. How to write small letter G? In between two blue line, left side curves, then standing line, then small curve, small letter G, and G says G. G after which letter will come? Letter H. How to write capital letter H? Standing line, in first three lines, standing line, again standing line, then blue line. blue line किसके ऊपर करनी? सॉरी, then sleeping line. ये blue line के ऊपर आपको क्या करना है? sleeping line. capital letter H. How to write small letter H? Standing line, then downside curve, small letter H, and H says H after which letter will come? Letter I. How to write capital letter I? In first three line, standing line, sleeping line, then again sleeping line, capital letter I. How to write small letter I? Standing line, then sleeping line. Sorry, how to write small letter I? Between two blue line, standing line, then dot, small letter I, and I say E. I after which letter will come? Letter J. How to write capital letter J? In first three line, standing line, then small curve, then sleeping line, capital letter J. How to write small letter J? Start blue line to last line, standing line, then small curve, then small dot, small letter J, and J says J. J after which letter will come? Letter K. How to write capital letter K? Standing line, up to down slanting line, blue line तक आपको लेके जाना है, then blue line to last blue line, again slanting line, capital letter K. How to write small letter K? Standing line, between two blue lines, small slanting line, small letter K. And K says K. K after which letter will come? Letter L. How to write capital letter L? In first three line, standing line, then sleeping line. How to write small letter A? Standing line. L says L. L after which letter will come? Yes, letter M. How to write letter M? Standing line, then up to down slanting line, then down to up again slanting line, then again up to down standing line. Capital letter M, how to write small letter M, standing line, then downside curve, then again downside curve, small letter M, and M says M after which letter will come? Letter N. How to write capital letter N? In first three lines, standing line, up to down slanting line, then again down to up standing line. Capital letter N. How to write small letter N? Between two blue lines, standing line, and downside curve. Small letter N, and N says N after which letter will come? Letter O. How to write capital letter O? In first three line, start from here, half curve, then other half curve. Capital letter O. How to write small letter O? Between two blue line, start from here, half curve, then other half curve. O says O. O after which letter will come? Letter P. How to write capital letter P? In first three line, standing line, then first line, small half curve. Capital letter P. How to write small letter P? Start blue line to red line, standing line, then again between two blue line, right side, half curve. So P after which letter will come? Letter Q. How to write capital letter Q? Start from here, half curve, then another half curve, then between two blue lines, slanting line. Capital letter Q. How to write small letter Q? Between two blue line, make a left side curves, standing line, then down to up slanting line. Small letter Q, and Q says Q. Q after which letter will come? Letter R. How to write capital letter R? In first three lines, standing line, then first line, right side curve, then between two blue line, up to down slanting line. Capital letter R. How to write small letter R? Standing line, then small curve. Small letter R, and R says R after which letter will come? Letter S. How to write capital letter S? First line, left side curve, then second line, right side curve. Capital letter S. How to write small letter S? Between two blue line, left side curve, then right side curve. Small letter S, and S says S after T. How to write capital letter T? In first three line, standing line, then sleeping line. How to write small letter T? How to write small letter T? Standing line, then small curve, then blue line के ऊपर आपको क्या करना है? Sleeping line. Small letter T, and T says T. T after which letter will come? Letter U. How to write capital letter U? In first three lines, standing line, then small curve, then again down to up standing line. Capital letter U. How to write small letter U? Standing line, then small curve, then again standing line. Small letter U, and U says U after which letter will come? Letter V. How to write capital letter V? Up to down slanting line, then down to up another slanting line. Capital letter V. How to write small letter V? Between two blue line, up to down slanting line, then down to up another slanting line. Small letter V, and V says V after which letter will come? Letter W. How to write capital letter W? In first three line, up to down slanting line, then again down to up another slanting line, then again up to down slanting line, then down to up another slanting line. Capital letter W. How to write small letter W? Up to down between two blue line, slanting line, again slanting line, then up to down again slanting line, then down to up another slanting line. Small letter W, and W says W. W says W. W after which letter will come? Letter X. How to write capital letter X? In first three line, up to down slanting line, then again up to down another slanting line. Capital letter X. How to write small letter X? Between two blue line, up to down slanting line, then again up to down another slanting line. Small letter X, and X says X. X says X. X after which letter will come? Letter Y. How to write capital letter Y? In first line, to blue line, small slanting line, then first line to second blue line, big slanting line. Capital letter Y, then small letter Y between two blue line, slanting line, then blue line to red line, big slanting line, small letter Y. And Y say yeah, Y say yeah. Y after which letter will come? Letter Z. How to write capital letter Z? In first three line, sleeping line, then first line to blue line, up to down slanting line, then blue line, sleeping line, sleeping line, slanting line, then again sleeping line. Capital letter Z. How to write small letter Z? Between two blue lines, sleeping line, slanting line, then again sleeping line, small letter Z. And Z says Z, Z says Z. A after B, B after C, C after D, D after E, E after F, F after G, G after H, H after I after J, J after K, K after L, L after M, M after N, N after O, O after P, P after Q, Q after R, R after S, S after T, T after U, U after V, V after W, W after X, X after Y, and Y after Z. So kids, यहाँ पे मैंने क्या लिखा? स्मॉल एंड कैपिटल लेटर A to Z, राइट. हमने ये क्या किया? क्लास वर्क. सो आपको होमवर्क में भी सेम है, CW की तरह आपको होमवर्क में करना है. ओके, राइट द लेटर्स फ्रॉम A to Z. सो आपको A to Z होमवर्क में भी करना है. तो आपको कितनी बार करना है? 2 times. So please parents help your child for this class work. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.